You cannot place your plants in west direction because west direction is a sky element. It's an open to sky area, but having green plants there is completely makes west direction empty, and which can gives you a problem of social connectivity, which can gives you a problem of not taking right decisions on the right time, and it can affect your gains even.
VMV, good energy and good life.
Be giving some kind of tips related to the balconies, that where we can have balconies. We have already constructed a premise, then where we can have balconies, what is the best direction for having balconies, and where we can have good energies flowing from the balconies within our premise, within our flat or within our home. So balconies are mainly open. Balconies should be open, and the best direction for having a balcony is north side or east side, or any direction of north or any direction of east is considered really very good direction for having balconies. North is a direction of flow of opportunities, of new opportunities, of positive opportunities, good opportunities within your life. So having a balcony in the north direction is considered really very good. The first point is to have a balcony of north direction or northeast direction or even northeast direction. That means that you are really lucky to have this kind of balconies. This is considered really good. Another direction of having balcony which is considered really good is east direction. Either east or east northeast or east southeast also. These balconies also considered really good. As we know that sun rises from east, the morning rays of the sun is considered really positive, really good. Shows that you're having a positive energy coming within your premise, within your flat or within your home. So having a balcony in the east or north directions, or all the directions of north or all the directions of east, is really considered good. Most of the people place pots or plants, little plants in their balconies, which is really good and give them positive energy, give them happiness having them. This adds up the positive energy within these directions. Then south direction balcony is also considered good. They're also good. They're not at all bad. As all the directions are considered to be really good for having balconies, all the directions are really positive, gives you positive results. But having a north and east directions balconies are considered the best. Then if we shift towards south, then south balconies are also considered good, and you can have plants also within the south direction balconies. We can say it's a myth, or people having a debate on this, that south is doesn't give you positive energies in the morning. If you use your balcony, then south doesn't give you positive energies, north gives you positive energies. So it's a myth, we can say. It's not a reality. South is also considered good, and even all directions are considered good for having balconies. Then west, if we specifically talk about west direction and having a balcony in the west direction, then it's good, but you cannot place your plants in west direction because west direction is a sky element. It's an open to sky area, but having green plants there is completely makes west direction empty, and which can gives you a problem of social connectivity, which can gives you a problem of not taking right decisions on the right time, and it can affect your gains even, your profit and gains even, or your savings also. That is why west direction is not considered good to have balconies, because having balconies means having plants in them, and having plants in west direction is not good for them. Then you can have plants, you can have little artifacts, artworks also, and you can have even a small furniture also. You can use it as a storage also, but not wasteful, not waste things you can place, but you can have arrange, you can arrange these kind of furniture, you can arrange these kind of storage and use them in your balconies. Then having tulsi plant in northeast direction is also considered really good, either north or northeast or east. These all three directions for having tulsi plant is really considered good. So in this way you can have your balconies, and if you are already having a balcony of west direction, so remove plants from there and you can have benefit of having a balcony in the west also. And rest of the three directions, they are already good for having this kind of balconies.